Hey guys, today I'm gonna come at you with my no foundation look. This is a look I really like to wear for summertime when I don't like having any heavy foundation sitting on my face. I don't like feeling like I'm sweating makeup off throughout the day, or if I'm just going to work, something where I don't want to really waste any product on my face, but I still want to look good, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to look like I'm not on my shit. So that's what I'm coming at you guys today with, is this look right here. It's nice, simple. It looks like real skin, as you can see. I just went in right here, I created some fake freckles, so it looks like we got some real skin going on right here. Before we start this video, before we get into the look, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be making more consistent content, so go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, and make sure you click the bell button as well so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get into this look. Alright, so before we begin applying any product, this part is optional, but I just wanted to go ahead and tell you guys about this because I like to do this just to make this look seem even more natural and skin-like. So as you can see, I created the illusion of having some fake freckles here. What I did is I took an e.l.f. Precision eyeliner brush because that has a very fine tip, and then I just squirted some Jergens Natural Glow, I think in deep bronze, on top of this plastic lid of this jar of whatever I had. And I dipped the brush in it and I just dotted some right along this area right here. I made sure to focus more on the nose and the inner cheek area because I feel like that's more of a natural freckle look. You can get creative and put some all over your face, but I just wanted to play it safe and apply it to areas where freckles tend to naturally occur for most people. I just took a shower and we're toned and moisturized. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this Peter Thomas Ross Max Mineral Naked Skin Broad Spectrum 45 sunscreen. I just want to rave about this product for a second. This product is a 100% mineral sunscreen, which is good for those of you who have sensitive skin. I believe it has almost 20% zinc oxide, which is great because zinc oxide has better UVA protection than titanium dioxide, which is the only other physical sunscreen. And the higher the concentration, the more effective coverage you'll get. So with this, you're getting very good broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection. This leaves no white residue, and I can attest to that. It does have a slight tint, but it's not a tint where it's gonna give you coverage. It's just a tint to kind of neutralize the natural white cast that mineral sunscreens tend to give. So with this, you're gonna see that even though there is a color to the product, when you blend it in, it gives absolutely no coverage. It's 100% sheer. The tint is just there to neutralize the white cast. This also contains vitamins A, C, and E, which are great antioxidants for the skin, which is great for addressing anti-aging, fine lines, and hyperpigmentation. So you'll notice with prolonged use with this that not only will it make your skin look great when you wear it, the skin underneath will also improve over time. And also, I want to just mention that this contains diamond powder, which is an ingredient in the Supergoop CC cream that I really love, and diamond powder really just kind of blurs the appearance of any sort of pores, lines, anything on the face. It gives you the illusion of having a nice smooth face. I really love this product, so I'm gonna quit raving about it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it and just show you what I'm talking about. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply it, and I'm gonna come back in and show you guys what a difference this makes to your skin. Now, because this is the only SPF I'm gonna be using, I do use a hefty amount, more so than I would use with the CC cream if I were using the Supergoop product. But again, because this is very sheer and the tint is just there to neutralize the white cast that mineral sunscreens give, it doesn't actually give any coverage. It's okay to go in with a little bit more of this product, although I will say if you have very fair or very dark skin, this might show up. I can't really attest to those skin tones because I don't have those skin tones, but for my skin tones, and I'm sure pretty much anywhere in the relatively medium to relatively fair range, this won't be an issue for you. I'm gonna use a mirror so I can see just a little bit better how much I'm actually using, because girl, she was expensive, I'm not gonna lie. So I have some applied all over my face and a little bit on my neck. Now, as you can see, this kind of looks like a tinted moisturizer on camera. I know it kind of comes across with that, but you're gonna see as I blend it in, this literally gives no coverage. I want you guys to take note of the blemishes here and again the fake freckles. You're gonna see that this does absolutely nothing to cover those up. Now I know it's looking a little crazy, but once I have it applied all over my face, I kind of just like to tap it in, and you guys will see as this begins to set, it just blends seamlessly into the skin and it literally leaves no pigment behind. So the sunscreen has set, and as you can see, there is no white cast. Everything still pops through. It is very skin-like. Doesn't cover up any imperfections. As you can see, the blemish is still completely visible. And it just gives my skin this nice, luminous, not completely dewy, but definitely not matte finish. I would say it's slightly dewier than a satiny, but I wouldn't really call it a true dewy look. I don't know how to describe it. I think that's because the diamond powder in this product, which is the same ingredient that they use in the Supergoop CC cream, like I said, which is why I think it gives that finish that I really like. So now that that's set, I'm just gonna color correct my face a little bit. So I'm gonna use my Glossier Flex Concealer in the shade Dark, and I'm gonna use the e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm just gonna apply some to the under eye area. I'm not gonna do a full triangle or anything because I don't want this look to be obvious. I want it to be very seamless, and you don't really need to do a whole bunch of product under the eye because when you blend the product out, you're also going to be spreading it. And then I'm also just gonna dot some on any blemishes that I have going on my skin right now. And once that's done, even though I dotted it on with the e.l.f. concealer brush, I'm just going to take my ring finger and just use the warmth of my finger to blend all the concealer in so it's more natural and skin-like. So my under eyes are looking a lot better. The couple blemishes I had going on right here are completely covered up, and even though this one's peeking through a little bit, it's a lot less noticeable, it's a lot more subtle. And I'm not really going for the perfect skin look. I say this a lot, but especially because I'm going for a natural skin look, if I have a blemish like this that I just can't help, I'll do my best to cover it up, but I don't really want to sweat it trying to cover it up. And then I'm also just going to fix up my brows a little bit. So I'm going to take the Kat Von D Signature Brow in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm not going to do like what I would do with a full-blown glam look. I'm not going to outline my brow or anything like that. I'm just going to brush the brows up first. I'm just going to fill in the areas that are sparse in my brows just to make them look a little bit more full naturally, but I'm not going to do any sort of outlining or any sort of defining like that. Create hair-like strokes in the spots that are a little bit sparser. And then I'm going to go ahead and brush down and just do the same thing. And then once that's all filled in, I'm just going to go through everything with the spoolie just to blend it together. And then I'm going to do the same on the other brow. And then once I have my brows filled in how I like, I'm just going to go ahead and set them with the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Oh my gosh, it looks like an Oompa Loompa. Oh. And then to just finish everything off, I'm just going to use the Jack Black Lip Therapy Lip Balm. This one's the Lemon and Shea Butter, and this has an SPF of 25, which is really important. You guys want to make sure that you're protecting your lips because that's the thinnest skin you have on your body. Alright guys, and that's the finished look. As you can see here, it's nice, simple, natural. Doesn't feel like I have any product on my face. I would feel really comfortable going about my day, especially during the summer, wearing this and not fear, you know, sweating my makeup off or just feeling like I'm wearing something on my face, which is a problem when it tends to get hot and humid here like it does in the summer. I like to just do this look before I go to work or class just to look presentable, but not put in too much effort, but still be popping, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys like this video, if you guys like this look, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, go ahead and give me a follow over here on Instagram, and I'll be back shortly with more content. Bye.